all of you people doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever the case may be. I do hope all of you are staying safe, all of you are staying healthy, and most importantly, all of you are ending your day with a smile on your face. And yes, let us not forget to be nice to the people around us. Let's try to be extra concerned, extra mindful, extra, loving towards, everybody, for real, man. And who knows, by that simple act of kindness, we might just achieve world peace. Come on, guys, let's give it a shot. Yes, bingo. Okay, we are going to do another Zhou Shen reaction, and of course, guys, if you ask for something, you're definitely going to get it, especially when it comes to Zhou Shen. You could never go wrong with this man. Never, ever. Okay, so before we dive into this one, though, may I ask each and everybody to please support Zhou Shen. Although he doesn't have his own YouTube account, but I do believe that we can also support him by streaming his music in major streaming platforms, Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music, all those kind of stuff, and share his name to the people around us who doesn't know of him, and let his name be known out there, because for sure he is something else, and everybody should know of his existence. What do you guys think? Yeah? Okay, so yes, oh my gosh, where's I don't know the title of this one. Here I am again without even knowing anything. Okay, guys, let me see the translation. Okay, I'm not so sure. It doesn't say the title here, but guys, I believe you're gonna help me with that. But anyways, let's go ahead and check this one out. Oh, there's no subtitles again. But as I've always been telling you all, right, that music is universal. It doesn't really need no language translation. It doesn't really need no, closed captions or anything like that. For as long as we feel what the artist is trying to say, we're all good, right? So without any delay, are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3, let's. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's hear this.
下雨的声音，起来。
Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. It does look like it's really raining in the set. I love how delicate his voice is.
上滴落的雨滴，轻敲着伤心，精美而动听。而我听见下雨的声音。
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Man. This is impressive. Look at this paper icicle. Look at that. I'm also like dumbfounded. Yes, that exactly what I feel.
Wow. Hi.
Should see my goosebumps. I don't know if you can see it. I don't think so. Yeah, but anyways, guys, what was that? Remember, I've been telling you about Zhou Shen becoming better and better and better. This is what I'm talking about. What on earth did just happen right there? Why do we always get this type of mixed emotions every time he opens his mouth? You know, he takes us to different, you know, sort of like a roller coaster ride for real, man. And this is amazing. This is amazing. Although my favorite still is going to be the Wandering Earth. Yeah, the one that did we react to this prior to that? I think so. Yes, that one. Although this is going to be on top of my list as well, but there's never a Zhou Shen performance that didn't wow us, right? So everything's on top. So how the heck did he manage to pull this one off without, you know, without sounding like so repetitive, if you know what I'm saying? He's a different breed, man. He always takes you to different places, and you know, if he sings, there's no particular number that is the same with the other. Maybe because of what's his feeling this day, that particular day, or this and that, I don't know, but he does really sing his heart out. I can't believe this, man. I'm so done with that.